We've had a request from an arborist who's developing and working with this drawing. He wants to know how this 89 degrees, 2 minutes and 40 seconds symbol is put in. If we pick that piece of text, notice up here in the contents, to put in 89 degrees, you type 89%, then a D. To put the 2 minutes in, it's 02, and then a single quote. The 40 seconds is put in by typing 40 and then a double quote. So it's a relatively easy thing to do once you know how. And these are examples of what are called special characters. They're the same in GCAD Plus as they are in AutoCAD. If I swing to another drawing, we already learnt that the degree symbol is, if I'll now just widen this, come right out here, the degree symbol is 35% D, the plus minus symbol is percent P and then the 14. The diameter symbol is another example of a special character, and that in this case is 75% C, and it's definitely the infinity character. So how does one enter the infinity character? That will be done by a keystroke combination and a number, and we could look at that some other time, but I think these up here, degrees and so on, cover the most common needs. So let's swing back to our arborist drawing. They have been working on a tree root protection zone, and that's the circle here. Notice that it is a block called tree_TPZ. So if we edit that block, notice that it's just a circle and it has 100% transparency set. And for that, the reason for that is that we can, no matter where we put it, we can see through it. So there's just a tree symbol here, which happens to be a eucalypt symbol, and here's the tree root protection zone. And because transparency has been applied, we can see it easily. So what that tells the builder and other people involved in the development is take great care in that area and protect the tree root system. I may have confused you by talking about a transparency of 100. If I select that block tree TPZ and edit it and pick in here, 100 is not 100% full, it's less than half, because we can set the maximum in GCAD Plus to 255, close the order of entities and then bring this one to the front, and that might well happen inadvertently, and now we're obscuring. So that's the reason why the block here had the transparency set to 100, and so we're always going to be able to see through it. So I hope that helps clear that little issue up.